Have you ever found yourself staring at a date string, wondering how to convert it into a format that your program can understand? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then stick around because today we're diving into how to determine the appropriate Strftime format from a date string. I totally get it. You might be dealing with files that have different date formats, and the last thing you want is to waste time guessing the format every single time. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, is there a way to infer the date format from a date string without constantly guessing? They mentioned that using the date util parser is slow because it guesses the format each time. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So why is this happening? The date util parser is powerful, but it can be inefficient when you have multiple files with different formats. Each time it parses, it takes time to guess the format, which can really add up. Let's break down how we can improve this process. And don't go anywhere. I have a great solution that will not only speed up your processing, but also make your code cleaner. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To determine the appropriate Strftime format from a date string, the user should start by creating a function that can analyze the date string. This function will need to identify the components of the date. Next, the user should utilize regular expressions to match different date formats. This will help in identifying patterns such as day, month, and year. After identifying the components, the user can construct the corresponding Strftime format string. This string will be used to parse the date string accurately. Finally, the user should implement error handling to manage any unexpected date formats. This ensures that the function can gracefully handle cases where the format cannot be determined. Fun fact, did you know that the way we format dates can vary significantly across cultures? For example, in the United States, we often write the month first, while many other countries write the day first. It's a small world, but it can lead to big confusion. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach is to create your own parser using a class called DateFormatFinder. This class allows you to add different date formats and then find the correct format for a given date string. However, keep in mind that date formats can be ambiguous. For example, the string 0102-1630 could represent different dates, depending on whether it's interpreted as US or European format. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One alternative solution is to use the date_infer module. This tool simplifies the process of inferring date formats from strings and handles various cases effectively. However, if you prefer more control and are willing to write your own code, using regular expressions might be the best option. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always validate your inferred date format before using it. This extra step can save you from unexpected errors down the line. And there you have it. By inferring the date format just once per file, you can significantly speed up your processing time. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments.